Hey, I don't know what you're talking about.
Sorry, I don't believe we sell this. What is he doing?
I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but bell pepper's burning down the house, cooking bacon. The alarm went off and everything. I had to wake up. Oh, what's going on? Smoke everywhere, stove on fire. I was about to call the firefighters until I used the extinguisher. I bet you I make this shot. I put money on it. How much? What? I'm gonna make this interesting. If I make the shot, you gotta do your last Instacart batch today with Teddy on your back. If I miss, I'll wear Teddy on my back. Deal. Follow the shot. Hey. Hey. Come. 3. 2. Oh, wait a minute.
You suck.
Hold on. Wait. Let's go out and let's do some orders. For the last batch, I'll wear Teddy. Bet. A deal's a deal.
You gotta wear him like this.
Only one batch.
You gotta do the order with him on your back.
And deliver it?
And deliver.
What's up, everybody? So check this out. We just got a batch, a banger. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, hit the subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of fun this summer. And yeah, let's get it. Team, run it up. Here's the game plan. You do produce, meat, bakery. I do dairy, aisles. Set. Hut. Let's go. Yo, bro, you gonna steal my car? My man stole my car. I just play. All right, so first cart filled up. We're almost done. 2 more items. I gotta get some chicken. Bella's looking for another batch. We just got home for a quick lunch, and I looked at the phone and I swiped the 46. So you make lunch. I'm gonna go bang out this 46. We did a 35. We did a 69, and now this 46 real quick. So we back at it. Just got to the store. And we about to crush this batch. I'm the bad goat. Wait, that's a sheep. Anyways, we bang this out in 20 minutes. Let's get it. All these items. Let's go. Put them on my back. Let's go. Say I won't do a batch with Teddy. Say I won't do a batch with Teddy.
You wanna do a batch with Teddy?
Bad. Teddy about to get a banger.
Yo, Teddy don't fit. Teddy don't fit.
It's hot in here. I feel like I'm being violated by Teddy right now. This might be the worst bet ever. This is like so embarrassing. I'm just gonna have to lie and say it's a backpack. Teddy got an order. It's 11 items, $15. Teddy got a banger. It's only 1 mile. Teddy got a slight banger.
Yo, what happened to Teddy?
Teddy fell over. Fix Teddy. The guy said, did you lose a bet or something? Thank you. Be careful. I gotta be careful on wine. Teddy is out the road. I appreciate that so much. Thank you.
I got a crazy question to ask you.
Huh?
Your friend
Yes?
that you're carrying on your back,
Yes?
can he walk by himself?
No. Yeah, I think Teddy can walk by himself.
Yeah, he's walking.
Yo, Teddy got a banger, bro. Teddy, he got a banger, bro. Teddy got a banger.
TeddyBear?
No, Teddy.
I don't know this guy.
Yeah, bro. Teddy got a banger, bro. Yeah, I'm helping Teddy. Because this is his first batch, but he got a banger.
is he doing? On the days that it's 100 degrees outside, LeVar is over here wearing a bear. Huh?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see nothing.
I don't know, but 100 degrees and you're wearing a bear on the back? Are you taking lots of pictures?
Yes, video.
Do you find that people come up from behind and give you a hug?
All right, so we just arrived to the customer's house. Oh my gosh, I don't know how this is gonna go. She says, Daddy, wear the bear at work. I said, you dare me to wear the bear at work? Fine. Just
I'm like, that's an odd way to stay cool today. I was gonna be like, does that work? Because I'll try it.
They want you to sign.
Alright. No,
But hey,
all good.
you guys have a good day, all right?
You too. Billy, can you grab that from me?
He was like, oh, I thought that was some cool way to stay cool or something. Oh my gosh, I'm done with this bear. Yo, team, run it up. Hit the subscribe. Like the video, please, because I'm hot and it's a wrap.
That's